Hey, thanks for clicking on today's video. Stay tuned to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day. So what are you doing today?
We actually have St. Louis Tactical in the shop today for on-site applicator training. So we wanted to do it in the new shop. This be our first training, but the electric's not hooked up in here yet for the booth, the compressor, and the ovens. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do that. So I'm leaving here, running back to the old shop. We're going to train them, and we're hoping the electrician will be in here this week to get that electric hooked up, and this will be our last one at the old shop. Next week, we're hopefully going to be able to move all that equipment down here and basically get it set up, be down here running. So that's what I'm working on.
So what are you doing today, Bailey?
Well, as you can see, I'm obviously not looking my best, so I'm heading out the door. Then I go get some rest because I'm not feeling very well, so wish me luck.
So what are you doing today, Zach?
I'm trying to continue to finish up the air system. I'm going to work on getting the laser manifolds done today. Work on, since we're going to have to move our plasma cutter, so I'm going to have to move the manifold that we had for the sandblaster over to where the thingamajig, over to where the plasma is now, and I'm gonna have to look up to see how much air we need for the plasma and get that manifold done today, and that'll be it.
So what are you doing today?
Okay, well, let's see. I don't know, because I've got such a long list. If I can get anything accomplished, it'd be great. So I'm just right now answering some emails, cutting stencils, gonna calibrate the laser since we moved it from our old shop to our new shop over the weekend. And I'm gonna work on some different lasering designs. But if you follow me, I'll show you what I did over the weekend. So come here, come on. So we have a sublimation printer and we've got a heat press. So Whitmore will put the camera down here. I made rugs for the front of our shop. So turn the camera so they can see. So one says welcome, the other one says ring the doorbell, because if you come up to our doors, they don't open. So if you ring the doorbell, then we have an app that we can answer and talk to you and unlock the door. So, and the reason why we put that in was because we didn't want, if we're in the shop working, we didn't want somebody to be able just to walk into the store, because ultimately we are going to have guns on display on the other side in our main show area. And obviously we don't want to be ripped off. So thus the doorbell. But anyway, so this was a reminder for people when they come to use the door. Hey, ring the doorbell. So that's what I did. And I think it looks really cool. So, all right, that's what I'm doing. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your Cerakote laser and stencil needs. Have a great day.